how do we create column charts and bar charts in Excel. Column charts and bar charts are the most common visuals which are prepared in Microsoft Excel. In this video, we'll understand from basics how to create a simple column chart and a bar chart. If you see on the screen, we have a sheet named as column chart, a very small data which is having the products, revenue in the year 2025. Now here, if you want to create a column chart, there are various methods. The simplest method would be select the data on this screen which you see, click on the insert menu bar. Here in the charts section, we can click on this charts option and we have 2D column, 3D column, 2D bar and 3D bar. So we'll start with the simple one, which is 2D column, and we'll select the first one, which is clustered column chart. Now here on the screen, if you see, it has created a simple column chart. Now same way, if you want to create a bar chart, we can just go to the bar chart sheet, select the data, go to the insert tab, and here in this column chart option, we can select the option as bar chart. When you select this option, the bar charts are the horizontal lines, whereas the column charts are having the vertical lines. The output would be the same, but there's one difference. So if you go to the column chart and if you see, the text is given in the x-axis, whereas in the bar chart, the text is given in the y-axis. Now in the x-axis, suppose you get a text which is very lengthy, keyboard of Dell company. Let's say I'm writing a lengthy text over here. Now when you do that, carefully observe the text has taken a space and it becomes little difficult to read for a person. If you try to decrease the size of this column chart, it becomes again very difficult to read. Whereas on the other hand, if we have this bar chart, the text will occupy in the y-axis and will automatically increase the width of the chart. For example, if I go back to washing machine of LG company, enter, and you see it has increased or it has adjusted the width of that particular chart and it has given the text here. Whereas in this location, here it becomes little difficult for a person to read. Here readability is much better. So remember, if you have option between column chart and bar chart, go for a bar chart when the text are lengthy. If the text is small, number of columns are lesser, go for column chart. That's very simple here. Now, after doing this, let's try to understand how do we modify or how do we customize the chart. So let us try to increase the size here. If you see at the back end, these are the grid lines, which are horizontal lines over here. These are the grid lines. These are the vertical bars. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis option. That's the title of that particular chart. And here, if you do not want the grid lines, you can select the grid lines, press delete from a keyboard, and the grid lines will go away. Same way, if you want to add the data label on top of this bar, if you want to add a data label, on the right hand side, you can click on plus sign and these are the checkboxes you can select. Suppose you select the option as data label, you get the values on top of the bar. If you do not want, deselect the option. Below that, we have a data table. In case if you also want the data to be textually presentable, you can select the option data table. Then there are error bars which are available. Then there are some grid lines if you want to bring it back. The legend option, right now we don't have much legend in this place. And then the trend line. So these are one by one options you can choose from here. And we can also try for the axis title. When you select the axis title option, here you can just select this title and write down the name as products and press enter. I repeat, we can select this box over here and you can write down the text in the formula bar. We can write as revenue, press enter. So now we have a x-axis and a y-axis title on this particular screen. So remember, when you click on this plus sign, these are the different chart elements which can be added and removed as per our requirement. The next part would be if you want to change the cosmetic or the styles of the visual, you can just move your cursor over this particular style and it will change. So these are ready-made options which are available and you don't have to struggle hard to make it look better. Similarly, on the other hand side, we have the option of colors. If you want to modify the colors on this particular visual, you can choose the colorful option or monochromatic options from the screen. This will vary depending upon your company brand logo color or maybe the theme you can pick up accordingly. So these are the options over here. The next one, we have the filter option. Currently, if you observe, all the categories are selected. In case, if you just want to compare laptop with the desktop, So we can pick up this laptop and desktop and click on apply. So these two options would be visible. Other options would be hidden at the backend. Similarly, if you want keyboard and pen drive, you can just click on apply and this will have keyboard and pen drives available for you. So this is very easy and simple, a visual presentation of your textual data. Remember, a picture speaks 1,000 words. Now this is a picture which is easily visible to anyone and we can quickly understand and identify which is having the highest and the lowest revenue. Pen drive is having the highest revenue and the hard disk is having the lowest revenue. But if you look at this data, it becomes little difficult to understand. However, you can right click on the numbers, sort the data based on largest to smallest, and now the data or the visuals are sorted in the descending order. So pen drive is having the highest and the hard disk is having the lowest value. Now similarly, you can also do the same thing for the bar chart. For the bar chart as well, you can remove the grid lines, you can add the data label, remaining options would be completely same. Now here in the column charts, you might have heard the column charts are the most boring visuals on the planet. Every meeting, every company you go, by default they prepare column charts. Now people do not pay attention to the same visuals if you keep on repeating. What we can do here is, we can click outside in the cell, go to the insert menu bar or insert tab, click on the shapes option and draw a simple arrow shape. We can draw a shape over here and this shape we can change the color. We can select this color and now this particular shape we can press Ctrl C. When you select and press Ctrl C, it will copy the shape. Now select the bar and press Ctrl V. Now when you press Ctrl V, the shape is been copied and pasted instead of these columns. You can press Ctrl Z and we can do it again. Ctrl C, the particular shape, click once, Ctrl V. Ctrl Z. If you click once, all the bars are selected. If you click one more time, and you can see only one bar is selected. Now if you press Ctrl V, only this particular bar would be replaced with this particular shape. You can press Ctrl Z. Now this is a very common example, but however, in some companies, you can also use some pictures. So we can select the option pictures, that is the stock images, and we'll try to pick up, let's say, 3 images from here. Now we can go for cutout people. We'll select an old lady, a young lady, and then we have a young boy. And then click on insert. Now 3 pictures we have inserted. The size of these 3 pictures is very large. We can just go and reduce the size to 2 and it's very small. We can make it as 4. Perfect. Now here we can select and press Ctrl C. Select one bar, all are selected. Again click on the bar, Ctrl V. I repeat, select Ctrl C, click, Ctrl V. Select Ctrl C, click, Ctrl V. So if you observe here, now instead of boring visuals, we can present this, the column chart in the form of this infographic. These are different pictures which are picked up. You can use your own pictures from Google or anywhere. Now these are pictures which I had ready-made in this Excel. But imagine if you are a product-based company, you have few products, you can bring the images of the products and paste it over here. So products can be pasted, services icon can be pasted, company logos can be pasted, or photos can be pasted. If you want to compare the heights of Burj Khalifa with some other thing, you can bring the images as well. So this is the way of presenting the data in a good manner. So this also comes in the part of data storytelling. Okay. Rather than boring column charts, this will make your visual more appealing so that people will pay attention on the images and pictures rather than boring column charts. I hope you have understood about the column charts and bar charts. That's all for this video.